Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager with Toshiba Canada. Today I'd like to talk about Toshiba's cloud print management system, known as eBridge Global Print. It's simply the ability to print from anywhere within internet access to your local Toshiba photocopier. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. As mentioned, Toshiba's eBridge Global Print is a licensed app that we install on your local Toshiba photocopier that enables you to print from anywhere. Um, you can submit print jobs to the cloud, providing you printing flexibility for the anywhere workforce. 70% of employees claim that they are more productive, more focused, efficient, and effective when they can print documents and have them in front of them. But it's not always easy for employees to print because sometimes they don't know which printers to use. They have IP addresses they have to try and figure out which the printer is referring to. They lack flexibility to use the closest or best printer. Sometimes there are multiple steps to set up their print jobs, and their printers are tied to the network in their office, but sometimes they're on the road, they work from home, they hybrid travel, there's multiple offices. It can be difficult for some employees to print. And it can be a pain as well for IT to try and manage all this stuff. So eBridge Global Print makes that easier. And we can say goodbye to a lot of their frustrations with printing. It's an easy one-time setup, just 3 steps to get you eBridge Global Print working on your local computer. You don't have to worry about IP addresses anymore or network requirements. There's no more abandoned prints hanging on the photocopier, output tray of the photocopier. There's no such as wasted print jobs. There's less headaches in printing and there's less work for your IT supplier. How eBridge Global works, it's a free download onto your local um, Windows, Apple, Android, or iOS device. You sign in with either Google Workspace, Gmail, or your Microsoft 365 accounts. A 6-digit PIN is automatically created for you. When you go to print a job, you'll see eBridge Global Print in your list of print drivers. When you send the job, you select that global print driver and you send your job. The print will process rapidly and be waiting for you when you arrive at the copier. And then when you do arrive at the copier, you can securely release that print job with the 6-digit PIN provided, or if your organization is using HID identity cards, you can just swipe your card to release your jobs. Behind the scenes, goodbye to IP addresses, network constraints, and print servers. Hello, cloud. It's easy to print to eBridge Global Print. You simply, as I mentioned, at your computer, send your jobs to the Global Print queue. The documents are turned into a PDF using the Toshiba native print driver. The PDFs are sent via an encrypted channel to a highly secure Microsoft Azure cloud. When you're at the device, you log in with either your PIN or badge, and you select your jobs you want to release. And the PDF comes immediately from the cloud to your Toshiba copier and prints out. eBridge Global Print makes it easy for you to submit print jobs to the cloud. You authenticate with the latest security standards. You can pick your prints up on demand. You have 5 days to get there. You can gain insights into your management, gain insights into who's printing and how much. You can eliminate a lot of the typical network-based print headaches and infrastructure, and you can achieve simplicity, security, and productivity with your print jobs. eBridge Global Print allows you to stream print jobs from almost anywhere via a single sign-on technology, and depending upon the accessories that are on your copier that you print to, you have full access to all those accessories. What eBridge Global Print can do for you is it'll help improve your productivity, reduce your costs, and increase your security and manageability. And again, we're authenticating with the latest security standards from Microsoft 365 and Google. You can even print from your mobile devices, as I described, be it an Android or Apple iPhone or tablets. eBridge Global Print helps you eliminate your network-based infrastructure. There's no need for on-site servers or anything like that, and it frees up your IT department or IT provider to concentrate on more important tasks. It's shown over and over again that printing helps increase employees' focus and collaboration, and people can print up their helpful materials with ease, increasing connectivity, productivity, and collaboration. eBridge Global Print is available on Toshiba's desktop A4 copiers, such as this Toshiba E479S. This is a brief view of the LCD panel on the same copier. Here we are looking at the printer properties of eBridge Global Print. eBridge Global Print uses a print driver that's very similar to the Toshiba Universal 2 print driver found in all our copier printers. But in this case, I want to draw your attention to the fact that unlike the Universal 2 print drivers, which are connected via an IP port, the eBridge Global Print is connected via a null port. It's not using an IP address. And here we are with one of our A34 model copiers with eBridge Global Print installed. It's the better view of the LCD panel of the copier. If I just touch on the eBridge Global Print icon, it's going to connect to the cloud and be ready to go. I just have to type in my 6-digit PIN code. If I scanned in this 2D barcode or swiped it with a HID card, I could log in that way as well. So this now shows me all the jobs in my print queue. I sent this test page a little earlier. Notice right here, if I touch this, I have a few more color and finishing options, but I'm not going to do that now. I'm just going to print the right here. I could delete this job if I wanted to. I'm going to print this job. So it's being sent to the copier. It's there already. Copier's warming up. And here's my test page from eBridge Global Print. Came out quickly, got there quickly. So what we're looking at here is the web browser of eBridge Global Print. I should mention eBridge Global Print is now in version 2.0 and adds lots of great new features. And this is actually the administrator view of eBridge Global Print. A user would see a different view with not quite as many tabs, but it has the same content information. We can see how we can create a CR pin or generate a new pin. We can see what print jobs are on the go. I have one or two here right now. I can produce a wide variety of reports for the administrator to see who's printing and how much. I can see I can actually assign quotas if I want to and job costing to users if I want to. I can see all the users that are registered on eBridge Global Print. I can see all the devices that I have registered on eBridge Global Print. If I click over here on help and downloads, I'm going to see where I can download the various print drivers to email to your local users so they can easily install eBridge Global Print by itself. As I mentioned in version 2.0 of eBridge Global Print, the installers got greatly more simplified with many fewer clicks for the end user to install. Depending upon how the administrator feels, we can send the user a color driver or a black only driver. And we can even have a driver for Chromebooks if you want. Here's all your admin guides. But I do want to mention to you right here, you can send the users a very helpful video on how to install the print driver themselves for Windows or Mac. So overall, I think you'll find eBridge Global Print is very easy to learn how to use, install, and manage. The administrator's primary task really is here in users is to send emails to add a user or delete a user. As you can see, this is my contact information. Any questions, I'd be happy to help. eBridge Global Print has been in development since 2022 and is now in version 2.0, which added many great new features. It's a licensed app that has to be installed. It's not free, but it's not expensive. One nice feature is there's no annual maintenance fees. It's a one-time charge that we can blend into the lease of your photocopier. In today's hybrid workplace where workers are working in the office, from home, on the road, in motel rooms, in airports, they can be working from anywhere. They can even be on vacation. Now they have the option to easily print their documents. Plus, they can print from their mobile devices, their laptops, phones, tablets, and Chromebooks. eBridge Global Print works very well for a lot of offices. It's easy to install, easy to manage, and it's easy to add and subtract users. We find eBridge Global Print is great in law firms, real estate companies, engineering firms, consulting companies, contractors, small businesses, corporate offices with many employees, people on maternity leave, and even in churches. IT managers find it easy to use and deploy, but we really do not need an IT manager to manage eBridge Global Print. The office administrator simply has to email their coworkers the eBridge Global Print driver and instructional video how to install. Should an employee leave, it's easy to remove them from eBridge Global Print. At any rate, I hope you found this video instructional, and I'll see you next one. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.